Okay, in this video we're going to be servicing or replacing a front crash sensor on the 2004 Nissan Armada. We purchased our used crash sensor. Hopefully it has no issues for us and it'll work. As you can see with the vehicle on, we have a repeating flash of the airbag that never goes away, so that indicates that there's some type of issue. So we could go into diagnostic mode to determine what code it gives us for the issue through a series of turning the vehicle on and off and waiting approximately 7 seconds and then 3 seconds between cycles. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're basically going to start with the vehicle off. We're going to turn it on, count to 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn it off, count to 3, 1, 2, 3, back on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn it off, 1, 2, 3, back on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back off, 1, 2, 3, back on. And after 3 cycles, we should be in diagnostic mode. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right when it goes off, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if we're in diagnostic mode now. There we go, it's off, and now we're getting code. So it's 1 long on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So we got this 1-6 pattern going now. And this 1-6 pattern is the diagnostic code indicating the front crash sensor. So this is what we're going to repair. So let's get to it. Alright, so on the front of the vehicle, just underneath the grill here, we can get in. You can see we got the fan for the radiator there. And right above it, this guy right here. So this is our front crash sensor. The service manual indicates to remove the grill. We're gonna try to get away with doing it without it. So these 2 bolts, you don't want to break it off. So I already sprayed them a few times with the PB Blast. So we're going to try to work those 2 guys off and put our new unit in. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery. We don't want to be working on it and cause some type of fault. So we're going to disconnect the battery first and wait about 3 minutes. Okay, this is the top of the unit, and we can see that there's some heavy corrosion in there. And it's basically pushing the plate down. See if we can get up here a little bit. So you see the plate is kind of pushed down. So we're going to have to push that back up. So first we're going to disconnect the battery. And then we'll go ahead and pull that off. So battery is a 10mm socket. So we're going to go ahead and take off the negative side first. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Alright, and then we will proceed to take off the positive. There we go. Okay, we're going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Our nuts on the front crash sensor are a 12 metric. And I'm going to spray some more PB Blast on it because we don't want those to break. That would be very difficult to deal with if we have to find a way to deal with those broken. So a couple sprays. I'm going to wipe off the excess because it kind of goes everywhere. Alright. Now we're going to go underneath here and see if we can get those nuts off of there without having to take the grill off. I think it's possible. Alright, we're going to tighten it a little bit again so we can try to loosen. And this time we broke it free. So it is loose now. Alright, so now we pull the plate off and we're going to disconnect the sensor. Let's see how we get that out. Looks like we may need a screwdriver to push down. Check it from the bottom. Looks like we could push here on both sides, pull it out. But this is why we probably have to remove the grill, because now getting to it is a bit of a challenge. Alright, so I'm going to have to get a screwdriver to get this guy out, I think. I'm Maybe I can just pull them up. So as you can see, it's quite corroded, and I'm sure that is why it stopped working. So I just need to pull this off. So I'm going to have to move the camera out of the way for this. Alright, I gotta get a small screwdriver for this. Looks like this clip can come up. Oh, there we go. That's how we do it. There we go. Alright. So here we go with the original. Looks like heavy corrosion in there. So that's probably why we had an issue. When we look at this connector here, let's see if I could zoom in a bit. Okay, on this connector, you see that it pushes up. So this is how you release. You push this up and then it pulls out. So that's how you get that guy off. Okay? So we're going to put our new guy on. But first I'm going to try to clean up some of the corrosion. As you can see on those studs coming out there, there's a bit of some corrosion on there. So we're going to PB blast that. We're going to put our new unit on. You don't want to drop the sensor. That would be bad. Okay, so first we're going to reconnect. And again, secure this thing so you don't drop it. Pull this up. Okay, he's getting stuck. Whoa, he's getting stuck right here. There we go, I just picked that up a little bit. So it could pop into place. There we go. Now we're secure. Line up the studs. And then we'll put our shield back on. There we go. Now I'll just put the nuts back on. There we go. Now we just need to hook the battery back up. So, hopefully that is not a defective sensor. Like I said, I purchased it used because I'm a cheapo. In case there's some action, we'll put the camera there. Okay, so I'm going to put the positive side back on first. It would help if I tightened it instead of loosening it. Okay, positive is on. Now we have our negative. Good to go. Nothing exploded, which is a good sign. This. All right. So, so now we have a very slow blinking light, which is different. So we're going to go ahead and do the same procedure here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we get. Hey, look! It went off. So now it appears it is fixed. We no longer have the airbag light on. So, I think we are good to go. If you found this helpful, please leave a like or some comments or whatever. So, kind of make these videos because I'm doing the work anyway, and maybe somebody else will benefit from it, and they'll be able to do things on their own and save themselves some money. So, good luck in your projects, and until next time and next project, we will see you later. Bye.